Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best cordless hedge trimmers available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 20V-MAX * Cordless Hedge Trimmer. The DEWALT Cordless Hedge Trimmer has a strong motor and low-maintenance blade, as well as a lightweight and durable design that's easy to maneuver, making it our first choice recommendation. This hedge trimmer's blade measures 22 inches long, is capable of cutting branches up to 0.75 inches thick, and has an impressive cutting speed of 2,800 strokes per minute. Plus, the blade is hook teeth and is pre-hardened, so it doesn't dull as quickly or require as frequent maintenance as other models. It doesn't come with a guard or sheath for the blade, which is a shortcoming in terms of safety and storage. This model relies on a 5.0 all lithium-ion battery, and you have the option of purchasing it with or without the battery and charger. Its straightforward assembly, 7.5-pound weight, and anti-vibration technology all work together to make it easy to use. What we like: high output motor, pre-hardened blades, compact and lightweight design. What we don't like: doesn't include blade guard. Number 2. WORX WG260-120V Power Share 22 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. Hedge trimmers can be quite heavy, making them challenging to operate for long periods of time. But the WORX Power Share Cordless Hedge Trimmer weighs just 5.5 pounds, making it one of the best lightweight options out there. It has a 22-inch dual-action blade that will slice through branches up to 3/4 inch thick, and it is ergonomically designed for user comfort and safety. The WORX Hedge Trimmer runs on a 2.0 battery, and it is a built-in safety guard that will keep debris off of you during use. The tool features a soft rear handle that reduces vibration, as well as a front D-grip that allows you to cut hedges from any angle, and it's a budget-friendly choice, even with the battery and charger included. What we like: lightweight design, built-in safety guard, D-grip allows you to cut at multiple angles, reasonable price. What we don't like: can get stuck on thick branches, can't use one-handed. Number 3. EGO Power Plus HT20 424-inch 56-volt lithium-ion cordless hedge trimmer. Most hedge trimmers have a 20 or 22-inch blade, but if you have larger hedges, the EGO Power Plus Hedge Trimmer's 24-inch dual-action blade will help get the job done quicker. This tool has a 1-inch cut capacity and delivers 3,000 strokes per minute, and its hardened steel blades will give you clean and precise cuts. The trimmer has a high-efficiency brushless motor that extends its runtime per charge, and it features an electric brake that stops the blade action quickly. The blades themselves are fully serviceable, making it easier to sharpen them, and despite packing a powerful punch, the tool weighs just 6 pounds. What we like: built-in electric brake, large 24-inch blade. Blades are fully serviceable. What we don't like: requires 2 hands for operation. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V-MAX Cordless Hedge Trimmer. High-end cordless hedge trimmers can cost upward of $200, but this compact, budget-friendly model from BLACK+DECKER retails for less than $100, making it an unbeatable value. The tool has a 22-inch dual-edge blade that can cut through branches up to 3/4 inch in diameter, and it's designed with comfort in mind, featuring a premium grip and additional handle for stability. This hedge trimmer runs on a 20-volt battery, and its Powercut feature provides a boost of power to cut through thick areas and jams. It's able to cut up to 3,000 square feet in a single charge and vibrates less during operation to reduce arm fatigue. What we like: reasonable price point. Powercut feature helps cut through jams. Good battery life. What we don't like: not as powerful as more expensive models. Number 5. Makita XH12-18VL XD Lithium-ion Cordless 22 Hedge Trim. For those with lots of hedges to trim, the Makita Cordless Hedge Trimmer Kit delivers an impressive 120 minutes of runtime on its lowest setting. The tool has a 22-inch blade that can deliver up to 1,350 strokes per minute, and it weighs just over 7 pounds, making it easier to wield. This hedge trimmer has an anti-vibration design, with several cushions in the motor housing, and it's quieter than most trimmers, operating at just 87 decibels. The tool features quick change blades a battery capacity warning system, and electric brake, and its battery charges up in less than an hour, allowing you to get back to work faster. What we like: long battery life, built-in safety guard, lightweight and easy to manage. What we don't like: cut capacity not specified.